Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful car. It's a 1969 Corvette. It's a big black car with the matching numbers 427. Power steering, power brakes, side pipes, air conditioning, leather, headrest, tilt, Teli. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful chrome paint, stainless. T-tops are off the car right now, obviously. Gorgeous body. Everything works. Absolute collector piece. And some really nice options. It's getting harder to find than big blocks with air conditioning. Showing 38,618 miles. .390 horse, 460 pounds of torque. Beautiful car. I'll show you the hood. Very correct under here. Got all the proper shielding, power steering. Power brakes, correct manifolds down there. It is matching numbers. Air conditioning does work. Your block pad. Very, very correct under here. Just a beautiful car. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike. You can call me directly at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and details on our main website. Thanks a lot and have a wonderful day.